Hello, welcome to Tekla Structural Designer 2024 course. This is Module 10 Part 2. Okay, in this part, we're going to be generating drawings for individual members. Okay, so after doing your settings, okay, you've gotten exactly what you want. You can come here. Okay, any member you want to generate your report for, your drawings for, you can come here. Let's say I want to generate the drawing for this beam. Here I can select the beam. Okay, right click on the beam. Okay, then I will go to generate drawings. Okay, so DSF export preference dialog will come up. Okay, you can use automatic file name for it. Okay, so if you don't want to, you can uncheck it and type the name of the drawing manually. Okay, so now I will use the automatic option. Okay, so the layer configuration, you can see that in our settings, okay, we came across this layer configuration. Okay, so it's going to be using beam detail, okay, for our layer configuration. So if you want to see the content of this layer, you can go back to your settings, okay, and check it. Okay, so for our layer style, okay, it's going to also use beam detail. So if you want to see the content of this beam detail, okay, for the layer style, you can go to the settings and check it. Okay, now for our scale, we're going to be using scale 1 to 25 for our beam. Okay, and minimum text block spacing will be 5 mm. Okay, we'll just accept all the defaults here, and once we click OK to open our default CAD application, okay, to show the drawing. So in my own case now, AutoCAD is going to be loaded. My AutoCAD application is going to be loaded, AutoCAD 2021, and the drawing will be displayed on it. All right, so would you like to open the file read only? I'll click yes. Okay, so this is my beam detail. Okay, for that beam I've selected. Okay, this is the detailed drawing. Here you can see the beam has been detailed correctly. Okay, all right, so you can see that, okay, a section has been drawn according to my settings. Okay, it's not using the iStrut method for detailing my sections. Okay, and a summary of my reinforcement had also been provided for me. Okay, so this is how easy it is to produce reinforcement for the reinforcement drawings for a single beam. Okay, so I'll go back to my Tekla model. Okay, let's say I want to produce the reinforcement detail for this column. Okay, I'll select the column, right click on it, generate drawings. Okay, so the same thing I can do here. Okay, I can use a manual naming or automatic naming. Okay, I can change the layer configuration. I can check the layer configuration. Okay, layer style. Okay, the scales and the rest. All I need to do here is just to accept the default and click on OK. Okay, so you can see now that, okay, the column reinforcement had been produced for us. Okay, so and a summary of the reinforcement, okay, provided is also given. Okay, so sections have been cut, okay, and drawn for us. Okay, so these drawings are precise and accurate with a lap length, okay, kicker, okay, everything we defined, okay, in our design settings and in our drawing settings, okay, had been applied for us. Okay, so I will go back to my model. Okay, so we generated drawing for a beam, a single beam. We've also generated drawings for a single column. Okay, so that is how easy it is, okay, to generate drawings in Tekla Structural Designer for single members. Okay, so I can also generate drawing for a single part base. Okay, all you need to do is to click on the part base, right click, okay, and generate drawings. Okay, this dialog will also come up. Just click on OK. Okay, so the reinforcement detail for the part base will be displayed. Okay, and a summary of the reinforcements, okay, will also be the weight of the reinforcement and length will also be displayed. So I'll return back to my model. So, and that is how easy it is to generate drawings for individual members. Okay, in the next part now, we are going to be creating our general arrangement drawing. Okay, see you in the next part.